All right, let's take a look at one other quizzing platform called Quizizz. That's Quizizz.com. This is another platform similar to Kahoot, but was kind of designed in a different way. It was more designed for students to be able to work at their own pace and not necessarily be bound by the time that it would take everyone to finish the quiz. So just like any other, I can search for quizzes on a topic. I can create my own. So if we just look right here, I can look at this quiz, see some of the different things in here, see the answers. I can copy and edit it and have my own things go. And then I have some options as well. I can start a live quiz right here. And in the classic mode, students go at their own pace. So they get the questions and as they answer it, their next question comes up. Or they've recently added Instructor Pace, which is making it similar to Kahoot, where I pause after each question and I determine the pace. The other option is to assign this as homework so that students have to complete it outside of their class or just playing on their own, but they can see the different like high scores and things like that. One newer feature here is this Quizizz lesson. Okay, so you are able to make some lessons within Quizizz. So we'll just go ahead and do a test one here. And your lessons can have slides and different media, and you're able to embed some different quiz questions as well. So I could build this out from scratch right here by using text, media, shapes, tables, or I can go to import and I'm able to import some things, whether that's a PDF file or something from my drive. So if I were to go here and I'm gonna go down and pick, I think I saw it's Elementary Chapel one that has a variety of slides. I'm gonna take this one and import it, and it's gonna bring all of these slides in. And I believe it's going to bring in the media with that. So some of these, oh, okay, it doesn't look like it did bring in the media. So like some of these were a YouTube video on here and it's given me that static image. But if I did need a video, I could add that as well. Now, some things right here, I might want to add a multiple choice question. And I can put that question in right here. Put the correct answer, time limit, things like that right there. Okay, I can do a fill in the blank one. Okay, I can take a poll, I can give them an open question, or I can give them a draw or type question. So this is, a draw question. So this is one where I could put a background on there. So perhaps we are doing something with graphing things and I want to put a piece of graph paper right here and I can have them draw on that. It could also be a diagram of something that I want them to draw on. It could also just be a blank draw, like you just want them to draw something or work out a problem or anything like that. When I'm done, I can press save. It was asking for some questions to get put on that. So I'm just gonna skip that. I do have one here, one lesson that I used already. I'm gonna take this test right here. And again, I can assign it as homework so that students have to go through this and answer some of those questions. But here's another cool feature on Quizizz lessons. Okay, we'll go ahead and do this. The slides are on participant devices, so that's awesome. Okay, but I'll get this link going over here. I'll make a new window. All right, so joining in the game right here. Let's start. So now Clyde on his end, he's seeing everything on my screen. You know, we're kind of walking through some things, but now, oh, I want to draw on this and kind of, you know, annotate over this. So I have a pen right here. I have a highlighter right here to where I can highlight some different things. I could change the color, things like that. I can change the background. But here's the other cool feature is that I can check this box right here, allow participants to draw, and now each person, each student on here is able to annotate on their own slide. And I see up here, I see all the little thumbnails of my students in here, and I can go look at these different things. I can go back and forth. I could look at, see what Clyde's doing, see what another student is doing, kind of seeing if they're on the right track and staying on pace. And then I can end that activity and move on. Okay, so there's some really good features in here. So it's not just a quizzing platform, but you might use it maybe instead of something like a Nearpod. Maybe you want to use this more as your platform. So lots of really good things going on here with Quizizz.